I'm cooked.
That boy, hey, you right.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, you right. Baby, you right. You wrong. You real fucking wrong.
That's still gonna be $30.
Huh? $30? $30?
Cut. Yes, sir. I told my barber an inch off the top, please. What the fuck?
I'm going to get a haircut. I'm so excited. I'm gonna look so good.
Fringe with a fade on the side might look good.
You ready for this transformation, bro?
Let's get it.